how to set a glass backsplash. Trowel your mud on the wall here. Get it the same consistent depth. Clear that edge up against the counter. Just like that. All your trowel marks going the same way. Take your trowel and flatten out the ridges. That way you don't get any tiger striping behind the glass. I already have the backsplash pre-cut, so as soon as these are all flattened out, we'll just run through, get them up, and then we'll come back, space them out, and use a either wood float or grout float to get them all nice and smooth on there. There we go. Get your tile lined up where you need it, edge of the counter. Let's move along. Since this glass is translucent, you'll be able to tell if you don't have full coverage. If you don't, just come back and push them in. And you want it to look just like that, nice and full coverage. See if you have everything cut out, it moves pretty quick. Now we just got to cut out this last piece, and we'll come back with flat trowel, push them in,